Hello everyone, welcome to Purple Code. In this video, we are going to learn about palindrome number. A palindrome number is a number which remains same after reverse the number. For example, 121. If we reverse the number, then we will get 121 itself. But if we reverse the number 123, we will get 321. Which means 123 is not a palindrome number. The output is as follows. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Happy coding!